Now you've seen this chair before. You know we sell cottages. This one's special. Jeff?
At the end of the road with nothing but nature across from you.
And hereby we present Lot 256.
Both levels are fully finished with a dream shop. Let's head inside. When seeking out a cottage, it's nice to know that the heavy lifting has been done. The list of upgrades here is endless. To name a few of them, new kitchen, flooring, HVAC system, and a wraparound deck.
And what the camera doesn't show you is that the entire structure has been spray foam. That's for comfort, efficiency, and it's winterized. And every cottage needs bedrooms. There's 2 of them and a full bath.
Here's a grade level entry, and there's a lot going on down here.
You get everything you'd find in a modern home. Of course, laundry here. We have a gas furnace, AC, water softener, iron filter. It's got it all. And just past door number 2, there's your guest accommodations, another bedroom. Not all garages are created equal. Jim?
And when you're not out at the lake, well, what a garage.
On moving day, here's one less thing to worry about. This boat's included. We're at the tip of the Drayton Arm. Have a look from up above. This is a very special part of Conestogo Lake. You've got to come see this one. Just follow the big yellow chairs.
They're everywhere, and we sell cottages.